Hi, my name is Darcy Pfeffer, and today I will be talking about the black-capped vireo.
Black-capped vireos are a small songbird about 4.5 inches tall. Adult males have an olive green top part of the body with two white and black wing bars and a whitish belly. Their head is jet black with white eye bands, which gives them an appearance of having a black cap, which is where their name comes from. The females and immature males are less vividly colored and don't have a black head. This species migrates each year, and their breeding and nesting grounds range from central Oklahoma and Texas to Mexico. The winter range of the black-capped vireo is along the western coast of Mexico. In Texas, vireos are mainly found throughout the Edwards Plateau ecoregion from March to September. Black-capped vireos usually nest in habitats that consist of scattered clumps of chinook, live oak, and other hardwood trees next to open grasslands where they can find their food source of smaller insects and larvae. Males arrive first to set up a territory and use a distinct song. They are actually able to use 10 times more syllables than any other vireo. The female vireos are the primary nest makers and make a hanging cup nest out of feathers, plant fibers, and other odd objects they find in the woods. The nests are built on forked branches 3 feet or so above the ground. After they build the nest, the female will lay 2 to 5 eggs, and both parents will help to incubate the eggs and feed young. After 11 to 12 days, the young ones will fledge and leave the nest. The black-capped vireo were enlisted as endangered in 1987 when the population was estimated to be down to 350 individuals. The numbers had dwindled due to the habitat loss from land fragmentation and brown-headed cowbird nest parasitism. Due to the very intense efforts of wildlife conservationists, in 2018, there were an estimated 14,000 vireos in the breeding range, and they were delisted to vulnerable. Landowners and managers can help this species by practicing good management on their land. Brush management in the Edwards Plateau is important due to the invasive ash juniper. If left unmanaged, it will alter the habitat and affect many other species in the ecosystem by creating more of a woodland over time. Clearing around open grasslands and near chinook is suggested. Prescribed fire is also beneficial to this and many other songbirds by keeping brush species in check and creating more regrowth for chinook. Likewise, managing the population of brown-headed cowbirds in their nesting habitat is beneficial. They are a native species that is known as a nest parasite, which means they will lay their eggs in other birds' nests and leave. This decreases the survival of vireos and many other songbirds' nesting success. Even if you are not a landowner or manager, you can still help this species by participating in citizen science projects, such as recording your sightings of the species on the application like iNaturalist. This information gives biologists and scientists a better idea of habitat use and population status.